Please leave yourself muted until I call your case, okay? Mr. Yeldo?
Me.
Adele? Yeah, okay. Now calling the matter of Pete versus Marquise Yeldo. This is ticket number.
Marquez Yodell. Marquez Yodell.
Marquez Yadel. You gotta stop moving too, okay? This is ticket number P1042864. This is count one, drove out unlicensed. Also calling in disposition already, ticket number SP1042846. Count one, excessive noise. Count two, no insurance proof. Count three, defendant, defective windshields. He must have had some tint on it. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Marquez Yeldell, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Mr. Yeldell, would you please state your name for the record?
Marquez D'Anthony Yodell.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, he would like to accept the people's offer to resolve his matters today, and that's with a plea to one count of no insurance, which is then to be reduced to blockading and a dismissal of the remainder of the charges.
Is that right, Mr. Yeldell? You want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so reading from the ticket, that back on the date of November the 20th of 2021 in the area of Houston Witter Street and Dickerson Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Yeldell was in a GMC vehicle and did not have proof of insurance. Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended count blockading. I'm going to dismiss the remaining tickets called on this record today. Mr. Yeldell, the fine for that is $175. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's going to be due no later than June 2022. You can mute yourself, sir. Mute yourself, because you got dogs and stuff.
What day was that?
June 29th, 2022, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay? Have a good day. You have something else, Mr. Yeldell? Okay, you're all set. All right. Shamika Williams?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Which Miss Williams?
She said,
It's Shamika Williams.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shamika Williams. This is ticket number P1201919. One count of registration and or plate violation. Ticket number P1201917. One count drive while license suspended. And ticket number X3613429. One count, no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. Count two, impeding traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Ms. Shamika Williams, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Ms. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Shamika Williams.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, she would like to accept the people's offer to resolve her matter today, and that's with a plea to 1 count of driving while license suspended, which is then to be reduced to improper plates, with the remaining matters being dismissed.
Okay. All right, there was a state ticket that had 2 counts on it. It was the last ticket I read. The no operators license, multiple operators license, and impeding traffic. That one was in default. No, there was a bench warrant on one of those tickets. The court is going to, is count 2 open? Yeah, let's take the lady off. She's in default on that ticket, but count 1 is gonna be included in this plea today. I'm gonna dismiss it as a part of this plea. You understand
Thank
that,
you, Your
ma'am?
Honor.
Thank you. Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. I feel like I'm missing a ticket. All right. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I'm sorry, what's the last part you said?
I said, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes,
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
Okay. We're going to take your attention back to the date of May the 20th of 2021. Were you in the area of Mildrum and East Jefferson in the city of Detroit driving a Honda vehicle?
yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
yes, ma'am, I was going to work, actually. I work on Mount Elliott and Jefferson.
Okay. All right. Satisfied, Attorney Griffith?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. There's stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on this ticket. I'm going to dismiss tickets number P1201919, ticket number 1622-68913. I'm trying to find all these tickets. Okay, that was a default ticket that we're gonna take out of default because you declared to one of the tickets today. And ticket number 11-93671. Will all be dismissed today. Okay, and ticket number X3613429, count 1. All right, ma'am, I'm fine. You told me you were going to work. That doesn't help. Now, I know you gotta work, but you also have to have a license too, Ms. Williams. Okay? So just, I understand, people get frustrated and they wanna go to work and they drive, so you take, don't. You gotta take ownership. You decide to get in the vehicle and drive your vehicle to work, okay?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. She's still gonna have these fines, this, 354, 246. Okay. I know she still has that impeding, right? Yeah. You know, you still have some costs and fines to pay out there. You know that, right?
Yes, I'm gonna call the courthouse tomorrow to see exactly everything I owe.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines for this ticket today then, okay? 'Cause
Thank
got
you.
some other costs and fines out there you need to pay. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you,
Eric
you
Williams?
too.
You're welcome. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Derek Williams. This is ticket number P11988250. This is count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Derek Williams, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Mr. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Derek Williams.
Your Honor, my client would like to accept the people's offer to resolve this matter today, and that is with a plea to open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger.
All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Not at all.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
I am
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
guilty.
And did you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
I understand.
Understanding everything, you still want to move forward?
That's correct.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 12th of 2021. Were you in the area of East 7 Mile and Monarch Streets in the city of Detroit, driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was there alcohol in the motor vehicle?
Yes, it was.
Open. Was it open?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Satisfied, Attorney Prempeh?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of open intoxicants passenger. Sir, I see that you paid your other tickets, your civil infraction tickets. Did you not realize that there was a misdemeanor ticket on this? This is the ticket you're handling today, because you paid the other tickets off already.
When I paid the tickets, I thought I was paying everything I owed. I had no idea there was any outstanding tickets.
I figured as much. That's why I asked that question, because you ended up paying all the tickets and then you missed this one. Because the other tickets were civil infractions, and this is a misdemeanor. And most people don't know this. You have to be seen before a court for misdemeanors, okay?
Oh,
Remember how
okay.
much total you paid? I know. Did you know how much in total you paid? I know that no proof of insurance is like $105, right?
I think it was like 600 in total, something like that.
All right. Court is going to waive your costs and fines on this ticket because you paid off all your other tickets that went with this accompanying ticket, okay? You will
Appreciate
get
that.
those points though, so just be mindful of that. There's nothing I can do about that part.
Now, look, how long do the tickets, how long do the points stay on your record?
Do you know, Mr.
7 years.
Prempeh?
7 years.
7 years?
Yes, before they
Wow.
fall off. But it's only a penalty if you get, I believe, over 6 in a year, in a single year.
Oh, I got you.
So,
Okay. So I'm
yeah.
okay. I'm okay. I just need to
Yeah.
be careful.
You're fine.
Thank you. Appreciate y'all.
All right. No problem. Then if there's nothing further, sir, that concludes your matter. Good luck to you, Mr. Williams, okay?
Appreciate y'all. Y'all take care.
All right,
Take
so
care.
you're all. And Miss Jayla Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, can you activate your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Jayla Williams. You can't take that scarf off your head, can you?
I'm sorry.
I said, can you take that scarf off your head for me, please?
Hold on.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Ms. Williams. Now calling the matter of people versus Jayla. This is ticket number P1215146. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1215147. Count one, improper plate. Count two, throw, dump, place, or deposit litter from vehicle. Count three, tinted windows. Ticket number or case number SP11781021. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license suspended. Ticket number 20440247. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, drive unregistered vehicle or untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Ms. Jayla Williams, who is present via Zoom and consists of proceeding in this fashion. Ms. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Jabba Williams.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, she wishes to accept the people's offer to resolve her matter, and that is to plead guilty to one count of improper plates, guilty to one count of driving while license suspended, and responsible for one count of improper tents, with the remaining balance of charges being dismissed.
You understand that, Ms. Williams?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Williams, we pull all of your tickets, so to take care of all of the tickets that are under your driver's license number, okay?
And I'll be able to get my license back.
I was gonna say, but see, what ended up happening is that, we had to pull that license number because you had some other tickets under your, former name. And so we just made sure we pull everything. So now you'll be able to, when you take care of these tickets, apply. Okay, I think that's what was kind of stopping you before, because you may have been handling your tickets now, but then the other tickets you hadn't handled, okay?
Them are the tickets.
Yeah, we have all the tickets. Yep, these are all the tickets, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
So how
all right.
you got a
All right,
total
I
of
just
how much?
I'll give you a total at the end, because I heard you asking for a total. So I'm gonna tell you how much you owe in total after we take this plea, okay?
Okay.
All right, I need your right hand for a moment. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Can I see this?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Yeah.
Do you have the opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
I did.
Mr. Prempeh?
Uh-huh.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I'm sorry.
I said, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to take your attention back to the date of, let's see, June 16th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of East Davidson Service Drive in Buffalo in the city of Detroit?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes.
And then also, I want to take your attention to the date of that same date, same area and location. Did your car have improper plates because it wasn't registered at the time?
Yes, ma'am. I had just bought the vehicle.
Okay. And then did you also, was it tinted windows on the car at the time?
Yes.
Beyond the required limit in the city of Detroit?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Prempeh?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the count of, on ticket P1215146, count 3 as charged, dismiss counts 1 and 2 of that ticket. On ticket 1215147, Count 1 as charged. Count 3 amended to a plea of responsible for blockading. I'm going to dismiss count 2 of that ticket, as well as I'm going to dismiss tickets SP 178102, counts 1, 2, and 3, and ticket number 204402447, counts 1, 2, and 3 of that ticket. Okay, ma'am. The blockading fine is $175. Typically, you only have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you to pay that?
You said 100 and how much? Is y'all gonna send me all this in the mail, the totals and stuff, or?
We don't typically send all this in the mail for the totals. So typically you have to be able, you can go online though. So you can go online tomorrow and see how much you owe in total, okay? Let me see if I can turn it up. So you're gonna owe $175 for that ticket.
Hold on, let me put that in my notes.
Okay.
I'm just document all this while you seeing it too, so I can know how much money to.
Okay.
175 for one ticket.
Okay, and then. That was taken care of today, right? I'm looking at all your tickets right now, trying to figure it out.
Okay, take your time. I got one question though.
Okay, go ahead and ask while I'm figuring this out.
I had another court date for these same tickets. When on the 17th. Well, that's Friday. Do this.
You don't have to come back on Friday.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Do this dismiss that?
Yeah, we took care of all of them today, okay? I'm trying to figure it out so that way I don't have to come back anymore.
Okay, thank you so much.
Put yourself on mute for a moment, okay, while I figure this out.
Go ahead. Can you spray this one? It's burning. Thank you.
Right? All right, I need a little help.
You want me to mute my phone?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
So let me read all the ones I have. For the check bag. So I have ticket P12154146 has 3 counts. Okay. Ticket P1215147, 3 counts. Ticket SP11781102, 3 counts. Ticket 204402471, 3 counts. Yes. All right, so let me see what she has left.
Now, she has, an improper plate that she already cleared.
Okay, how much is that one?
200.
Okay,
There's nothing to redo.
okay,
Then she has, effective rate lights, 144. Okay. She has a litter step gate.
is that one of the tickets I took care of today?
Oh, you know what? Was that suspicious?
I'm just missing.
Okay.
P1215147.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, she only just have that other. She has 200. This one.
Okay, that's fine. And then she has the 175 on my section. Her, I'm just gonna wait for her cost.
Yeah, so she owes this is that. And the other one.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do for you today, Ms. Williams. I'm gonna set that 175. I'm gonna waive your cost and fines on the other 2 tickets. You still owe $344 additional dollars. When you pay all of that, then you'll be able to get your license back.
So 175 plus the 344.
Yes.
That's
So
all
it's
I have to pay.
519. So when you pay all of that back, then you can get your license.
Okay. And I pay this at the 36th district.
Yes, you can either go on the website or you can physically come down here to the court to pay it, okay?
I'm coming down there. Okay.
Go ahead, Miss. I know that's right, Miss Williams. Go ahead and come down here and pay it, okay? And the sooner you pay it, the more they'll send clearance over that you paid all your costs and fines and took care of everything. And then you'll be able to apply for that new license, okay?
Okay.
All
And
right.
I'll be able to go take my class and get my license back.
That's right, absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're so very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.